Whit, you got to share.
Whit will go next.
Hey, Whit, come here. Hey. That's good exercise for Mom.
Yeah. I know. Maybe Daddy will go more.
Yeah, Daddy never started this. Whit, jump in. I'll do you. Come on.
Whit's turn?
Let's go, Whit. Let's do it.
Whit's turn?
Meg, it's your brother's turn now. Here. Keep going. You ready? Let's go.
Whee!
Ah, that's fun, isn't it? Hey.
Love pats.
Mom, we need to...
That means giddy up.
You want to go? Let's go.
It's hard work, isn't it?
Sure is. Okay.
And that bunny needs a turn.
Meg's turn. Sister's turn, son. Come on.
Meg.
Come on, Whit. Let's go. Hey. Last time. Ready? Ready? Hold on tight.
That was a short ride.
Hold on. Daddy's old.
Older than Mama.
Whit. Hey. After this, we're going to put it up. Okay. You ready, Meg? Come on. Hold on. Woo! Whoops. Okay, that's enough. No, we're finished. We're all finished right now, buddy.
Good job, Meg.